In this video, we will try to access the whatever the members of the parent into the child class. So before we are going to access the what are the members of the parent to the child class, first of all, let's execute the program. So first of all, make sure that this static void main always should be the public so that I can able to make the family.program as the startup object. Once this configuration is completed, now let's run the app. I got the hello, I am senior John, the parent, and child. I got the hello, I am junior John, the child. Now here I wanted to access the what are the members of the parent into the child, right? So the way how we are going to access in the sense we can do by using the two techniques. One is the base keyword of the C#.NET. By using the base keyword of the C#.NET, you can access the whatever the members of the parent. So now start with that first technique. So here I will do base dot. So once I'm going to start the base dot, you can see the show parent message and as well as the parent name, which are part of the parent class. So now let's print this value. Hello, I am, uh, you know, parent name, the parent. So here I'm adding the one extra message here from the child class. Again, if you execute the program, you see that right? Hello, I am senior John, the parent from the child class. So not only you can access the what are the members of the parent, but also you can design by using the this keyword. So this keyword which is useful for to here to explain about the child class. So whenever I'm going to apply the this keyword in the child class, then it refers to the child class itself only. In case if you use the this keyword in the parent class, it will refers to the parent class. So as of now, let me take the this keyword. In case if the child class inherited by the parent, then we can access the members of the parent class as well. So now by using the this, you see here, right? I can see the show child message, show parent message, child name as well as the parent name. So again, I'm printing the two messages based on the this keyword. That is the this dot parent name and this dot child name. So now here let me comment it, this line for time being, and now if you execute the program, again you see that right, hello, I am senior John, the parent from the child class, and I am the junior John, the child from the child class. So by using the this keyword now here, you are not only access the members of the child class, as well as we can able to access the parent class of to the child class as well. Now here by using the this keyword, you can create the instance of the child class as well. How we can do that in the sense, so let's design the this keyword here by using the where is the one kind of a keyword in the C#.NET which is help us to prepare the any kind of to the respective type. As of now I'm going to give the this child is equal to this. Okay, so here this child which is referred to the instance of the child class. That means this. Okay, so even if you mouse over after this, you can see which is refer to the child class. And if I'm going to mouse over to the base class, so base keyword, you can see this parent. So that is the difference between this and base in the child class. So now let's back to here. As of now, I have created the instance of the this keyword, right? So here now coming to in this particular line, instead of the this keyword of the C sharp.net, you can use the this child. Okay, so this child which is referred to the child class because of it is initialized by the this keyword. So let me rename the this keyword with the this child, and again if you see the same output, the parent class and child class. The next video we will try to understand the way how we can use the constructors in the parent class and as well as the child class, how we can pass the data from the child class constructor to the parent class constructor. This concept we will see in the next video.